I call it a revolutionary solution in your home, where you're not just cleaning in the kitchen, but you can clean the whole house using this Vertex mop.
What the Vertex mop does is it gives you a section for your wash and a section for your dry. So that means that you're not going to have to put a wet mop on the floor again, and you're not going to have to use your hands to actually dry out that mop. They've put the spring back into spring cleaning. So this is the really soft microfiber mop head. That means that you use it to clean your windows.
Okay.
And you can use the Vertex mop to clean your windows because you can extend it.
Okay.
Yes. Because of the grid, you might have to clean a little bit harder, and that's why they've gone and they have given you this microfiber head, which has got a little bit of a harder fiber in between, and that allows you to take off all those really hard dirt messes to clean.
Now you can use it for 4 different functions. You can use it as a wet mop, you can use it as a dry mop, you can use it as a window cleaner, or you can use it as a broom for 699 rands right here at TV Mall. To buy yours today, give us a call on 0861 000 173.